Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I am doing well. And you?
I'm good, thank you. And what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Indrajit and I am from India.
Oh, nice to meet you. My name is Nikki, and I'm from the UK, but I live in Spain.
Okay, so why are you leaving Spain? Do you love Spain?
Yeah, just a different lifestyle, just a change, an adventure.
And
Yeah,
who do you live with?
I have cats, three cats.
Okay, wow. So you love.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They were stray cats, so I took them in.
Wow.
So,
And,
how long
and
have you been? Oh, sorry, you go.
yes, and I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt.
Oh, wow. And are you studying at the moment or are you
Yes,
working? Studying.
I am college art. I am studying bachelor in technology.
Oh, wow. That's really cool.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been learning English?
Yeah, I from my childhood and from primary school I learned English, but I love learning English. That's why I switched to Cambly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, your English is very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it's very good. So, do you have any hobbies? What
Yeah,
do you like doing in your spare time?
I love painting
Oh,
because
wow.
passion.
Yeah. What do you like to paint?
Yeah, rural scenario and urban scenario.
Oh, okay. And do you have any more hobbies? Do you like sports?
Yeah, listening to music and also cycling, swimming is my one of hobbies. My favorite.
Yeah. That's my favorite is swimming as well. So have you been traveling much? Have you been to Europe or anywhere else
No, but
outside?
I have a dream to visit USA or UK.
Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, the UK is nice. It's quite cold and rainy, but it's nice.
Okay.
Very pretty.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I visit that there.
Yeah. No, it's worth visiting.
So my time is running out. So see, hope to see you soon again, and a lovely talking to you.
Yeah, it's been lovely talking to you too, and I hope you have a really, really nice day.
Very interesting.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have a nice evening.
Yeah. See you soon. Bye.
See you soon. Bye bye. Bye.